Network engineers, it's time to bring AI into your world. Imagine transforming everyday challenges into opportunities by harnessing the power of AI for your network operations. This course is not about empty promises or hype. It delivers practical, hands-on guidance to turn AI into your professional superpower. We cover everything from the fundamentals of AI applications in cloud networking and cybersecurity to advanced strategies that predict outages before they happen and snap cyber threats in seconds. Modern networks are growing more complex every day. Devices multiply, data volumes soar, and threats become more sophisticated. Manual processes simply can't keep pace. That's why this training focuses on equipping you with the skills to seamlessly integrate AI into your workflow. You will learn to use intelligent automation to diagnose issues quickly, optimize network performance, and save countless hours on routine tasks. Instead of getting bogged down by manual work, you can dedicate more time to innovation and strategic projects. By engaging with real-world projects, insightful prompts, and deep dive resources like eBooks and audiobooks, you will not only master AI tools, but also build a portfolio of skills that set you apart. And remember, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. As you progress through this transformative journey, you will gain practical expertise that enhances your everyday work and positions you as a leader in your field. To explore all the courses in the AI for Network Engineers training series, visit completeaitraining.com.